Evergreen shirts are designs that will sell consistently year-round and are not really linked to an event like trends are. Examples of evergreen niches are things like fishing, animals, and countries. Trending designs are tied to an event and a certain moment in the year and can be really profitable. Holidays like Christmas fall into trends because the t-shirts will sell for a holiday season but stop selling after Christmas. Other examples of trending niches would be, for example, if Biden says something and it becomes trending and then shirts start selling. You may get a good amount of sales for a moment, but that will slow down quickly. Trending shirts have higher competition, copycats, and chance of fake copyright infringement. In the early tiers, I do recommend leaning towards trending niches as opposed to evergreen niches. When you are starting, your goal is to tier up and you want to get sales as quickly as you can by targeting these trends. I would do 90% trends and 10% evergreen in the early tiers to do this. As you tier up, you want to flip that and start leaning more towards evergreen niches. As you grow, you don't want to rely on a few shirts for your income. You want steady income, and to do that, you need to have year-round consistent sales. Cross-niching or combining niches is a great way to combine the pros of trends with the pros of evergreen. A shirt for Father's Day can only sell near that season, but a dog shirt for dads can sell year-round and get a bump in sales for Father's Day. I have had success where I got a shirt to sell thousands of dollars a day. It still continues to sell year-round because it is an evergreen that is related to a holiday. Most of my shirts now are in the evergreen category because I am a 200,000 tier seller and I'm looking to keep it a long-term sustainable business. I don't want all my eggs in one basket. I don't believe that only following trends will work out in the long term. I think it is more stable for your income and safer for your account. Thank you for watching.